A very good morning to all my wonderful children. I'm your teacher, Savita Ma'am from Sanskriti School. So, children, I am back again and I was so excited to come and see you all. Okay, but I don't see a smile on your face. Come on, bring a smile. Oh no. Let me bring some visitors here and let me see if that brings a smile. Yeah, that's wonderful. Now I can see a smile on your faces. So, how are we all doing? Great. So, children, not just these colorful flowers, someone else is coming too to visit you all. Are you ready to meet? Let's see who is coming. Bzzz. Hey, Busy Bee. Good morning. Say good morning to my children. Bzzz. You seems to be in a hurry, Busy Bee. Where are you going? I'm very hungry and I'm going to these colorful flowers. Okay, hungry and you're going to these flowers? Buzzy Bee, don't eat up those flowers. No, no, no. I am not going to eat up those flowers. I am a pollen helper. I am their friend. A pollen helper? Oh, my children don't understand that. Busy Bee, please help them understand. What are you saying? Shh. What, Busy Bee? It's a deal. I am very hungry, and these colorful flowers are going to offer me some sweet liquid. We call it as nectar. I am going to drink some nectar from this flower, and then in turn, I am going to help these flowers make its babies. What babies? The flowers, you are going to help the flowers make babies? Babies like just how my children are the babies of their mom and dad? Yes, yes. Buzz. Oh, just like this mama and daddy giraffe has their babies, the baby giraffes. Oh yes. Buzz. Okay, so Buzzy Bee, that means all the living things have their babies, just like these two birds. These two birds have their baby bird here. Okay, buzz, very right. So these plants are also living things, right? They are also going to make their babies, and I am going to help them. That's interesting, Busy Bee, but how are you going to do it? Let me explain to you, my dear children. Now, do you know who are the babies of these plants? The seeds are the babies of these plants. And I am going to help these plants make their babies. Do you want to know more? Oh yes, Busy Bee, my children want to know more. So please help them understand, no? Okay. So children, all of you now have a look here. Have a look at these flowers. Do you see this colorful flower here? Oh yes, Busy Bee, my children can see that. So do you see in the center there is a small cup. That cup holds a sweet liquid called nectar. We love to drink that nectar, and not just me. I have many more friends, many more pollen helpers who come and drink this nectar. And then do you know what happens? When we come to drink the nectar from this flower, do you see the yellow color powdery dust here? This is the pollen grains. And do you see one more flower here? This colorful flower. Have a look at this flower too. This flower also has in between something, a nectar kind of thing here. Each flower has some nectar. And now this flower is ready to make some seeds, ready to make some babies. But you know what? This flower is waiting with some, do you see in here down below there are some eggs. There are some teeny mini eggs. They are waiting down below this flower. But these eggs are waiting for the pollen friends. if this pollen from this flower reaches this flower, then only this flower can make a seed. Oh, but do you think that this plant, this flower can walk to this flower and ask for pollen? No, they can't do that. That's why we are here, the pollen helpers. Now, all of you, have a look here. Buzz, buzz. I am going and I am sitting on this flower to drink some nectar. Now, while I am sitting here and drinking some nectar, this yellow dust, this yellow pollen sticks to my legs. It sticks to my belly. It sticks to my wings as well sometimes, right? And you know what happens then? Let me show you the pollen all over my feet. Do you see some pollen here? Do you see some yellow pollen on my wings as well? Oh, yes. Now, after drinking nectar, that was yummy. I want to drink some more. Then I will fly, 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 and I will sit on this flower to drink the nectar from this flower too. Now, while I am drinking nectar, this yellow pollen falls on this flower, and then some pollen goes down below here, right? Some of the pollen transfers down, and then down below, if you can see, some yellow pollen has come down here. Okay, now this flower has got pollen friend from this flower. I have helped this flower to bring the pollen from this flower and give it to this flower. Now this flower is so happy. It's saying, thank you, honeybee. Now I am ready to make some seeds. And now I will go and drink nectar from some other flower. I am busy sitting here and I am drinking nectar. Now this flower is happily making its own seeds down below, its own babies, right? Okay, and then what will happen? Thank you, Busy Bee. I think you helped my children understand that how the pollen from this flower goes to this flower. And now this flower can make its own seeds, its own babies. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Let me go and call my other pollen friends as well. Oh, yes, please go. Who are they? My children would like to know. Please bring your friends. Come on, pollen helpers, come here one by one. These UKG children want to meet you. Hello, I am a butterfly. I am a pollen helper too. I too love to sit on these flowers and drink some nectar. And when I do that, I transfer, you know what I do? I transfer the pollen from this flower, look here, and I give it to this flower. Now this flower make more seeds, more babies. Bye-bye. I am going to sit on this flower now. Okay, butterfly, you may go. Who else is coming now? Someone else is coming. Who is that? Oh, I am here. I am a pollen helper too. I am a bird. I am a hummingbird. And I am also a pollen helper. I take the pollen from this flower. I drink the nectar with my beak. And then I take the pollen and see the pollen sticking to my beak. I am flying, flying, flying and now sitting on this flower to help this flower make its own seeds. Now this flower has got the pollen friend from the other flower. Hey, bye-bye. Now I am going to drink nectar from some other flower. Okay, bye-bye, bird. Who else is coming? One more pollen friend is coming. Who is that? Have a look. Oh, have a close look. I am a bat. I am a pollinator too. I too love to sit on these flowers and drink the nectar. Now, while I am drinking the nectar, I also carry some pollens. I go and sit on the other flower. and give the pollens to this flower. This flower. Now this flower is going to make more seeds. Wow, bye-bye UKG. Wow, that was lovely, Busy Bee. You have told so many things to my children, and I think now my children know how you all become pollen helpers. Wow, what else are you going to show my children, Buzzy Bee? Not just flowers. I am going to show your children what happens to these eggs later, to these seeds later, to these flowers later. What happens, Buzzy Bee? Buzz. Have a closer look here, children. All of you, look here. I am going to show you some seeds. Are you ready to see them? Come on, have a look then. Come on, my dear. Show, 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 show. Wait, children, Busy Bee is bringing something for all of us to see. Are we ready to see? Here comes some seeds. Yes, why are you so confused? What do you see here? This is a tomato plant and these are the seeds. Oh, but you will say, ma'am, this is not a seed. This is a fruit. This is a fruit vegetable. It is tomato. We don't see any seeds anywhere. But children, do you see a yellow color flower here? Right. So now, just now, the Buzzy Bee told us that this flower is waiting to make its own babies. Now, when Buzzy Bee gets the pollen from some other tomato flower and give to this flower will make its own seeds. But it doesn't make only seeds, children. The seeds, the plant, the flowers are very smart. They, you know what they do? They cover the seeds with a very sweet, fleshy mm, thing. You know, the seeds are inside the fruit, inside this tomato. The seeds are hidden inside the tomato. But why are they hidden? You must be wondering. Yes, let me tell you why the seeds are hidden in this tomato. Because now this plant is ready with its babies, with its seeds. But how these seeds will grow into tiny little plants? Somebody has to sow the seeds. So do you think these plants can walk and go on its own and sow its own seeds? They can't do that. They can't walk like you and me. So what will they do? That's why the nature has made this magical thing. This yellow flower that makes seeds inside it will turn into these bright red fruits. Now the seeds are hidden in these fruits. Now what will happen? Now once again, where is this pollen helper gone? Come on. The bat will come here. They not only love to drink nectar, they also love to peck at these fruits. The bat will eat the fruit and it will fly away. Now the birds will come. The birds will pluck the fruit or maybe peck at the fruit and it too will fly away. Some animals will come too. They too will they too will eat these fruits, these bright little red tomatoes, and then they will go. And what will happen after eating the fruits? The the seeds have gone into their belly and it will come out of their body as their droppings, and then wherever those droppings will fall, new plant will come, isn't it? And not just giraffe, children. Don't you think you and me also love to eat these fruits? The apple, the oranges, and all other yummy fruits. So we also love to pluck these fruits, just like I am doing it. Pluck a tomato, wash it, and eat it. And sometimes when you wash it and cut it open, inside you see many seeds. You sow the seeds in your pot and you will get tomato plants. Isn't it? Isn't it interesting, children? Oh, I find it very interesting. And I'm very tempted to eat this tomato, but I must wash it before I eat, right? So I'm saving this tomato right here. And before I forget, let me tell you, what did we learn today, children? Just have a look at this card. What does it say? Can you read it? Just try to blend and read, children. Pa, o, pa, l, e, li. Poly. N, e, ne. Polyne. And Tion makes the sound shun. So let's read it together. Pollination. Pollination. So children, we learned today pollination. And we must never forget our pollinators. Pollinators. Who are our pollinators, children? We have met all of them just now, right? If there are no pollinators, children, you and me will not have any food to eat. You know why? Because no pollinators means no seeds. Without this pollinator, this tomato plant cannot make these fruits, cannot make seeds. And if no, there are no seeds, there will be no plants, no new plants. No new plants means no food for us to eat. No plants means no air to breathe. Oh, that sounds very sad. But there is no need to be sad because our pollinators are right here. They are always there to help us, right? So can we quickly say thank you to our pollinator friends? So say thank you, busy bee. Thank you, pollinator. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, butterfly. Thank you, the pollinator butterfly. Thank you, the pollinator birds. And thank you, pollinator the bats. And also we must say thank you to the wind because sometimes wind also helps take the pollen from this flower to that flower. So thank you wind as well. Okay, children. So now I am I'm going to wash this tomato and put it in my mouth and relish. You also go and have a look at the fruits that you have in your house. Cut them open and see inside. The seeds are saved. So don't waste them. Go and plant those seeds somewhere or make seed balls that I told you earlier too. You can do that. Right? So time for us to say good morning again. Have a wonderful day. Do have a look if you have some plants growing at home, children. Go and have a closer look at the real flowers and see where ma'am said there is a tiny cup kind of thing. I don't know how much you can see here. Below here, there is a tiny cup right here. This cup kind of thing holds nectar, and down below, this flower will make its own babies. Right? So please have a look at the flowers, plants, and whenever you go out, just observe the plants and the flowers around you and never ever hurt our pollinator friends. Right? So have a wonderful day, children. Have a flowery day. The lovely smell these flowers are throwing all around. That's why all these pollinators are so much attracted and they keep go and sit on these bright colorful flowers. So time to say good morning once again, children. Go and enjoy your day and don't forget to be thankful for this pollinator friends. So bye bye.